Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Of course, this is also going to go to my TikTok and my Instagram page, but this is specially for the YouTube fans because some of you guys have been asking for the installation video, and you guys, here you have it. So I am basically going to be braiding my hair with the Diliasempire Kinky straight hair. So we do have Kinky straight, we have deep wave, and we also have the body wave bulk hair. By the way, they are 100% human hair. Okay, if you're interested, just send me a DM or an email, or send me a message wherever you can find me, on TikTok, Instagram, anywhere basically. Even drop a comment below this video if you're interested, and we'll take it from there. So yeah, let me start to braid my hair. This is going to be a long voiceover. So I've gone ahead to part the hair in two, I would say, and then I also section out the front part of the hair to just take that off the way. So y'all know I always like to start my braids from the back. This is not new to some of you, I would say. So yeah, I was excited, to get this hairstyle done. I anticipated a beautiful result, and you guys, a beautiful, stunning, gorgeous result is what I got. I don't want to shout, please. Delia, don't shout. So yeah, I've started with the braiding. Oh, by the way, I added the caniculum braiding hair to the hair because I wanted a certain look, if that makes sense. Okay, so I added like I think like three tiny strands of caniculum braiding hair before I went ahead and start to add the kinking straight hair. I also added three strands of kinking straight hair because yeah, because that's how I started the back of it. At this point, actually, at the beginning, I used like a very tiny section, but tiny yeah, sections, isn't that what's called, like the strands of hair I added wasn't that much, if you guys can tell. So as I continued, I realized it's not going to give me the volume, the kind of volume I want. So I did increase the quantity of the kinking kinky straight hair. Okay, so I've gotten almost to the middle part of the hair because I had to do a lot off camera just to save time and all of that. Another thing I did to also save time was to trim immediately after braiding, because I didn't want to come back and start to repeat that process. It would have been tiring, so I just trim as I go. So yeah, like I said in other videos, about our hair, they are 100% human hair. You can bleach the hair, you can color the hair, you can wash the hair. You even see me dip the hair in hot water. You will see that in few minutes. Like, you can do a lot with the hair, you get, but at the same time, take good care of it so it lasts for you, you get. So as you can tell here, you can see that the strands of the kinky hair, it's bigger than before, right? Yeah, I started added bigger chunks, yeah, to the hair already. And another thing is, some strands I added four, some strands I added three. And that was also because when I got to the front part of it, I saw that I needed more volume, you get. So I needed to add like more strands of hair to the braiding hair, if that makes sense. You guys, you see all I'm trying to explain right here. So this is how I basically continue braiding. At this point, I was just wishing to be done with the braiding part. I'm not gonna lie. Like I was exhausted. I think at some point I had to sleep and continue the braids the next day, because I mean it was worth it. Like I needed to, you get. So this is the last strand of hair. There is this satisfaction that no, not last strand, like the last braid. So there is this satisfaction that comes with braiding the last part of your hair or anyone's hair. Oh, even though you still have a lot to do with the hair, but there's just this zen feeling that comes with the last braids. That's exactly how I was feeling here. I was ready to go to bed because I was tired, but I needed to, braid. If you guys could tell, I left the ends of the caniculum hair because I wanted to braid them up, as you can tell, just so it blends in with kinky straight hair, you get. And that's exactly what I did. So this is actually the next day, the next morning. So here I'm already dipping the hair in hot water. I went ahead to dip the braided part of the braided caniculum tip in hot water, and once I was done with the whole head, or rather the whole hair, I went ahead and submerged the whole hair, both the kinky hair and all, into hot water. See, don't ask me why I did it, but I did anyways. And nothing changed. Like nothing changed with the hair. It even turns out really, really nice, even nice than I expected. You get. So this is me unraveling and just showing you guys all the goodness, the juicy, if there is anything like juiciness, but yeah, that. So I decided to do my edges. You guys, I've said a couple of times that my edges is the worst to lay. I don't know. They are just too hard to lay. Even all of the process, the step, the method, the technique I used to achieve these laid edges, it didn't show up as I expected. But yeah, we move. And this is what it looks like, you guys. This is what my hair looks. I was happy. I was happy with the result. Okay, so I went ahead with these coil define cream that I got from DM. You guys, this cream is very, very good. Oh, this is one thing I don't like when I'm doing voiceover. Okay, so this cream is very, very good. If you live in Germany, I will encourage you to try it out. It can you can use it to define your curls, whether natural or wigs or whatever. It is really, really nice. It gives you that not coarse, I would say, like that crunchy test. Yeah, crunchy texture. Yeah, that's it. Anyways, let's get back to my hair. Okay, so this is all the juiciness, you guys. Isn't this gorgeous? Isn't this stunning? Just take a look at that. Mamma mia. There's no other way I can express myself, you guys. It was beautiful. Like my expectation was met even more. Does that sound right? Yeah. So this is basically it, you guys. Like I told you guys before, we have kinky straight, we have deep wave, and we have body wave. Body wave and kinky and deep wave are still available, but we have limited quantity of these kinky straight. Okay, so if you're interested, just send me a message anyway. So this is actually the leftover from 200 grams. So the one I showed you guys was 200 grams. Yeah, this is what was left. And yeah, this is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, y'all.